Today my topic is education sociology. Introduction. The educational sociology is the study of the social, interesting and cultural environment of the education process of there in the conveying the education impacts of there in the society. That applies in the principles of education. It's remove of the social systems and curriculum and the social progress. It focus on there in the social environment education. Education means what? Definition. The definition means of there in the usage of education is the delivery the knowledge, content and information of the teacher to students, and captures of the importance of being the educator, the sociology. The history of the first scientists, the Frenchmen of August, and the committing of 1830, and the commit of the Hedberg Spender, the principles of their in the sociology, the cells of their organism, and the meaning of the education sociology. The education sociology it's a scientific of the study of relationship between the education and the society, of focusing of the institution, groups and environments of there in the education process and the education states of there in the society. It serves the practicals and applied the disciplines of the sociologies, principles of their improving the social systems and the curriculum of there in the like of inequalities, diversity. The education sociology and the education sociology is there in the scientific of field of their intersections of their social structures of there in the education system, or focusing of there in the socials and the individuals of society of the influences of education. There are in the educations of their analyzing too, and social dynamics and practicals and improving the educational and methods of there in the policies and social equality. The education sociology, the scope, what is the scope of education sociology? There are the boards of the examining and dynamic in the relationship of there in the society of curving and the factors of there in the class culture and the gender of influencing the schools. There are the shapes of social structures and their mobility of change in the including of socialization and the inclusivity and policy, and the analysis of there in the classrooms of interactions and the global educational policy seeking to understanding and improve the educational practice and applying the social principles. Conclusion. The education sociology is the serves as there in the between the structures of there in the how the shapes of the shaped by the society, the social, moral and the personality development and the equality and mobility effective of they are in the relevant.